Hey everybody, this is Danny, aka Insane Coyote, and today you are in Insane's Kitchen. Now, today in Insane's Kitchen, we're gonna go a little crazy here and we're gonna make something that I saw online. It's a kimchi burger. Now, I've seen it online, I've tried doing it, I gave it a little bit of a different twist, and I wanted to share that twist with you guys. It's a great burger, man, and for those of you that are thinking kimchi on a burger, bro, don't deny it until you try it, man. And plus, we're gonna be doing some other burgers along the line. Next episode might be the Italian burger, and you're going to be thinking Italian, well, yeah, what's so special about that? Just wait for that. Wait for that next episode, man. You're going to love it. Anyway, for this burger, we're going to be using Wagyu beef. I figured, you know, well, why not use Wagyu beef if we're going to go straight on kimchi? Keep it in the Asian department, you know what I mean? So let's see what this hamburger takes. So for our ingredients, we're going to be going with Wagyu beef. Seasoning it with some salt and pepper. The kimchi on top, we're gonna kind of stir fry it with some sugar. So we have our kimchi, we have our sugar. And to make our special sauce, obviously, we're gonna use Japanese mayo, which I love this brand, it's awesome. And some gochujang. All of this is gonna sit on a nice bed of lettuce with, I figured we'd use a little something special here. Some everything on it buns. And obviously, we can't forget the cheese. We're using a Havarti cheese this time. So let's get cooking. So for our sauce, have to use one of these bowls, man. It's not gonna come out good if you don't. So let's just put some mayonnaise in here. I mean, this is kind of like eyeballing it. I'm not gonna make a whole bunch right now, but if you do have other people coming, you probably wanna make more. Probably grab about this much out of it and just put it in there and mix it up. So you wanna get it nice, and it should turn like a orangish red color, which is gonna be amazing, man. Believe me, first time I tried this, I was like, wow. Alright, so that is done. We'll set this off to the side. Put this in the refrigerator for probably 10 minutes. Or the time that it takes for you to cook the burger. Alright, here we're gonna kind of saute-ish the kimchi. So we start off with our kimchi there. Oh yeah, listen to that sizzle. And then just put a little bit of sugar on it. Just kind of heat this stuff up, you know. I mean, you're not going to full on cook it because it is fermented already. But you do want to give it a little bit of sear so it like just frees the flavors, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so we're going to do that a little bit. Let that cook a little bit. You cook this on medium-high, just so you can get a good enough sizzle to it. And that way that sugar also caramelizes a little bit, gets in it. Probably add a little bit more. Okay, once this is done, you're going to sit this to the side, and then that's just going to leave us to making our burgers and toasting our buns, and we'll be good. You want to make this into a ball because we are going to make a smash burger. So, you know, something like that. I mean, we don't want it too thick, but we don't want it too thin either. So as I told you guys, this is going to be a smash burger. So I just want to do that. And we're not trying to make it a huge hamburger. But, you know, just something in the realms of that. In the meantime, let's put these buns toasting. Melt that cheese right there. Get the burger off there. Alright. That looks good. And the buns are also good. Alright, so we have our buns right here. Let's spread a little bit of this special sauce here. Put as much as you want or as you like. And me, dude, since I don't want one bun to be jealous of the other, I'll give them both extra love. There you go. Now, make a little bit of lettuce for the guy. Now next we put the patty. Oh yeah. And get some kimchi on it. Some kimchi. Me and my crazy abilities with chopsticks. Go figure. But yeah, put as much as you want. I like this stuff, so I'm more the type go big or go home. I get that little guy trying to run away. And then there you are. And that there, people, is what a kimchi burger looks like. Oh yeah.